Y'all, what in the world is going on down there in Los Angeles? First, Gene Hackman and his wife discovered dead in their house down there in California back in February of this year. Now we've got Rob Reiner and his wife found stabbed to death in their Brentwood home. What in the heck is going on in Los Angeles? Brentwood is a beautiful area. So what's really going on? Now, I know OJ lived down there, but forget about OJ. What in the world is going on? Rest in peace, Meathead. I really liked you on All in the Family, but this is crazy. It's absolutely crazy. It's like you can't be safe anywhere anymore.
Yep.